then ongoing audit. Luckily for us, we have the correspondence from Senator Omtata, and we also have the Auditor General's report. You might not know whether there's a response from your boss, but if I don't know if you have been provided a copy of Senator Omtata's letter.
You have it, Chair.
Are the issues that he raised in this letter addressed in the audit that is before us today?
Chair, with your permission, I cannot answer that, but for sure, those issues were sent to me for me to do another audit.
Point of order, Chair. Point of order.
Senator.
Thank you.
You cannot say you cannot answer.
Thank you. That's what I was asking him. Then what did you come to do here?
Just a minute. We don't want to have an acrimonious exchange between you and the committee, because it is acknowledged that you are the eyes of the committee. The beauty, I started by saying, the beauty is that we have both documents before us. So it is for you, for instance, to tell me, in this report, is there anything on procurement of WebTribe Limited? It's a yes or no. Then we just make a decision, Chair. If the Senator has talked of understated revenue, ineligible expenditure, creation of ineligible pending bills, the question to you is, the document you prepared, does it contain any of those? You just say yes or no. Then we can be able to see whether the Senator is correct or accurate in saying that none of those issues have been addressed.
Thank you, Chair. I'll answer this way. One, by the time Senator Omtata was sending this letter to the Office of the General, we had concluded the audit of 2022-2023. Number two, some of the issues raised, in fact, particular two issues raised by the Senator were included in the report of 2022.
Yes, that is how you answer. Which one and which one?
One is innovation of the governor's launch.
Yes. That's issue number 2 in the Senator's letter. It is at which page of your report?
Page 6, Chair.
Okay, just give us a minute to go with you. My page 6 is your...
The report of the General. Paragraph 7.2.
Just give us a minute. Clerk, Chair, I do not seem to have that report. I have County Revenue Fund, County Executive. I don't seem to have it.
Chair, we need a copy of the report.
We need a copy of that.
Yeah, clerks, please make sure members have.
Let me see. What's a copies? Page 6. Is that paragraph 8?
No, 7.2.
7.2.
Paragraph 7.2, Chair.
Chair, just